welcome back to my channel Faru's Happy Plate. Today we are making chocolate chip walnut brownies. Let's start. But before starting, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment. Let's start. We will take 125 grams of butter in a pan. We'll melt the butter completely. Now the butter has melted. We'll add chocolate chips. These are milk chocolate chips. 200 grams of chocolate chips I have taken, but I have added half of them and half I have saved for later. Melt the chocolate chips with the butter. Our pan is warm, so now I'll off the flame, the heat, and add cocoa powder. I've taken 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Mix it well. Our chocolate mixture is ready. We'll keep this aside and go for the next step. Now take a large mixing bowl. Add 1 and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar or castor sugar. Add 2 eggs which are on room temperature. Whisk them well. This is mixed very well. Now we'll add the chocolate mixture which we have prepared inside it. Here it goes. Now I'll mix the chocolate mixture with the eggs and sugar mixture. Now I'll put 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of salt together. Mix it well. Now we'll add half tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now we will add sifted half cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Now mix the all-purpose flour properly with the mixture. Now we'll add some walnuts. 1 cup of walnuts. Half cup I am taking inside this mixture and half I'll save for the later. Now mix the mixture. Walnuts should be mixed properly. Batter is ready. Now I'll take 9 by 9 inch aluminum baking dish. We'll grease it with oil, butter or ghee. We'll grease the baking dish properly. Now I'll put this parchment paper inside the baking dish and arrange properly. Now I'll pour this mixture into this baking dish. Is ready. We'll tap this thrice. We'll add the remaining chocolate chips on it. We'll add the remaining walnuts on it. Now this will go for baking. I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. So this will directly go into the oven for baking. I'll also mention all the ingredients in the description box as well as during the video. Please check to make best of brownies. Now my dish is going inside the oven for baking. We'll have to wait for 20 to 25 minutes. Do not open the door of the oven again and again, or else the brownie will sink in. Now our brownie is completely ready. Now we'll remove this from the baking dish and remove the parchment paper. Completely baked. Now it's time to cut into the squares. Amazing, isn't it? We have cut our brownie into the pieces, and here is it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and comment. Thanks for watching once again.